ccna 200-301. Introduction. Are you interested in networking?
Those of who are interested in this course. CCNA is the best roadway to ones who are already an IT technician or networking technician. After you get qualified in CCNA, you will be an official network associate.
Now we are going to learn about network in ccna.
Most of you guys have the thought that WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and other social medias and app means networking. It is not the answer. Network means a telecommunication network which allows to share resources, information, etc. through a node from one device to another network.
What is a network?
A network is simply two or more computers connected together, so that they can exchange information or share resources. In most cases this connection is made via electronical cables that carry the information in the form of electrical signals. Other types of connections are used to. For example, computers can communicate via fiber optic cable at extremely high speed using impulses of light. And in wireless network radio signals are used. In addition to the hardware that supports a network needs special software to enable communication. In the early days of networking, you had to add this software to each on the network. Nowadays, network support is built into all major operating systems.
Network building blocks.
All networks, small or large, required specialized network hardware to make them work. For a small network, this hardware may consist of nothing more than computers equipped with network ports, a cable each computer and a switch that all the computers plug in via the cables. Larger network probably have additional components, such as router or repeaters.
Network cables.
Nearly all modern networks are constructed using twisted pair cables, which looks like a little phone cable but it's subtly different. Co-cable that resembles TV cable, thick yellow cable that used to be the only type of cable that used for Ethernet, fiber optical cables that can span long distance at high speed or thick twisted pair bundles that carry multiple sets of twisted pair cable between wiring closest in a large building.
This is how a real network looks like in an imaginary way. This is posted so that you can grab some ideas how it works. Thank you all for watching our video.